Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show exactly what you need to connect your DSLR or mirrorless camera to your computer so you can use it on Zoom or Skype. Okay, here we go. You need four things. Number one, a camera. A DSLR or mirrorless, it doesn't matter which. Most modern cameras have HDMI inputs. Just double check which one your camera has. The Canon M50 I use is a micro HDMI. Number two, HDMI lead. While we're talking about HDMIs, you will need the corresponding HDMI lead to match the camera you have. I use a micro HDMI to normal HDMI lead. Amazon Basics will do just fine. Number three, a capture card. Next you will need a capture card or cam link. I highly recommend the Elgato Cam Link 4K or the Elgato HD 60. Both are more or less plug and play. Having a cam link is essential when connecting the camera via HDMI. There is a way to connect via USB, but the software you need isn't free and you sacrifice quality, which kind of defeats the object. Number four, computer. As long as it has a USB 3.0 input, you can either use desktop computer or a laptop. It doesn't matter. I plug my cam link into my Dell XPS Studio, which works great. Pro tip, make sure the HDMI cable is long enough to reach from your computer to the camera. There's nothing worse than a short cable. You've plugged the Elgato 4K cam link into your computer, the USB or the HDS, whichever one you're using, you can use either. And you can use any camera capture card out there, they all work pretty much the similar. I just find Elgato products are really good, simple to use, it's more or less plug and play. You've done that, you've plugged the HDMI lead from the capture card into your camera and everything is working. Camera's on. One thing I would recommend is using a dummy battery for the power, especially with the Canon and Sony cameras because the battery dies pretty fast. So if you buy a dummy battery, you can plug it into the wall, into wired power, and it's going to keep on going. Some cameras do have an auto turn off. You can check all the details in the Elgato Camera Check website. I'll link that down below as well. So you can check if your camera works with the Elgato Cam Link to start with and what sort of things you need to look out for, like record limit and clean HDMI, stuff like that. So anyway, here we go. Right, we're in Zoom and the first thing we're going to do is just go over to settings, make sure you sign your account, sign in, create an account. It's relatively simple, you can do it on mobile as well if you want to, just use your phone, but I'm showing you here how to use your camera in Zoom. So you're in the main screen, just come over to where your account is on the right hand side and press settings. Then go down to video and you can see here for this experiment I've got my GoPro linked to the HDS because I'm recording on the camera that would usually have the cam link into the computer. The GoPro's there, as you can see on the screen, and the GoPro is a really good camera for live streaming. The quality is really good, it can do 4K. I've got the power plugged into a power bank just to keep the battery going, so you know it's a really good option if you're looking to live stream with the camera as well. Here you can see there's a drop down menu and you'll have all the options you've got. If you're on a laptop, you'll have the built-in webcam on. More than likely most laptops have got a built-in webcam, so you'll have that option there to use that if you want to as well. Okay, so you've got the drop down menu, you just simply select which one you want to select and use which camera you want to use. It is simple as that. I'll just quickly show you in Skype, it's pretty much similar. You've got your main screen, all you go is by your name, you click the three dots on the right hand side, press settings, and then we go down to audio and video, and we select here, again you've got the game capture HD 60, which I'm capturing the GoPro video on, and then the drop down menu has also got the cam link which is plugged in, just not to a camera at the moment. Like I said, if you're using a laptop, you'll have the webcam option in this drop down menu as well. It really is simple as that. You can use your DSLR or mirrorless camera or GoPro or any other camera that you can get hold of that has a HDMI port. Just check the compatibility with the capture card that you buy. Like I said, Elgato have got a website where you can camera check and it tells you all the details. Some cameras come with a clean HDMI, which means you don't have any of the information which would usually be on the back of the LCD screen on the back of the camera. But like I said, most cameras can be used as a webcam these days if they've got a HDMI port. Most modern cameras for sure. that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below. There's more videos come up soon on live streaming on how to use your camera with your computer, GoPro with your computer, and yeah, just adds that little bit of quality to your video calls. Right, that's it. See you soon then, take it easy. See you on the next one. Bye guys.